Okay, I'm pressure washing my deck with this new Sunjoe pressure washer. 2030 psi, 7.6 gallon per minute, 14.5 amps. Done most of the deck already. As you can see, there's a difference between the part of the railing I did and haven't done yet. When it's wet, you can really see what's coming off. Got a lot of lichen growing. But when I'm done pressure washing it, I'll let it dry and then I will recoat it. This is very hard wood called Kumaru. Put it on about 10 years ago, and I think once it's refinished, it'll look good as new. After about 6 hours of sanding and washing, actually 5 hours of washing, 6 hours of sanding, the deck is ready for some stain oil. Looks pretty good when it's wet. Notice looks just dusty when it's dry. Hopefully after it's been oiled, it'll look like the wet portion after I sprayed off the dust from sanding. I'll hopefully finish up tomorrow. Okay, here's the difference after washing, sanding, applying a coat of the Ipe Plus oil. That's kind of a wet section, and there's it after drying for a while. Got another full gallon of the Ipe oil. We'll see if I want to put a whole nother coat on, but eventually I need to paint each one of the vertical stiles. Got some matte black spray paint that I'll be doing that with. It's looking pretty good, and we'll make this Kumaru hopefully last for another 20 or 30 years. Well, finished up the deck. Use a flat black spray paint to paint the balusters. I think everything looks good. Of course, the birds like it as well. Check out my other videos and sign up to see anything else I do. Who knows, maybe eventually I'll be monetizing this channel. Thanks for watching.